Good morning, Rutgers. I'm Brendan Jenkins at the Black Student Union's opening ceremonies to help kick off Black History Month. Let's check it out.
To organize this event, it took a lot of hard work, a lot of rushing towards the end a little bit, but it took coming together as an e-board and executive board to come together and plan it and kind of think what was different that we didn't do last year, things like that, things like whatever went wrong last year, we made sure it's going right this year. And I don't know, it was a struggle, but we did it. So far, it looks good. It's a success right now. It's a packed audience. We had some good performers so far. The food is getting it to everybody. So yeah, it's looking good so far.
Came to support a friend who's performing tonight, but I also came to celebrate with others about Black culture and Black History Month. It's important because although I'm not African American, I'm Nigerian. It's just important because I feel like we're all in this together. We're all trying to improve. We're all trying to celebrate with each other about where we've been and where we've come from.
I'm actually here to celebrate Black excellence. I'm actually part of a fraternity called Iota Phi Theta Fraternity Incorporated. Me and my brothers are here to perform and actually give back to the community because, you know, here at Rutgers University, everything's so diverse, but the Black community is so concentrated. So you just want to show face and celebrate as a unit. Just seeing this is amazing. Like all these people they came out on a special night just to enjoy everybody else. It's nice. It's a nice come out.
After this one, we have our Unity Day, which is an annual concert we have every year. So just stay in tune for that. Just be waiting for it. Like it's gonna be really something else this year.
There you have it, Rutgers. Be sure to check out some of the great Black History Month themed events happening all throughout February. I'm Brendan Jenkins, RUTV.